Here's a little bit of bonus content about distributed audio systems. There's some cool things happening right now in distributed audio, and I know you're thinking, distributed audio, how could that be cool?
That is so cool.
Cool?
Well, what's actually happening right now with some manufacturers, they are starting to convert from the network, from digital on the back of the speaker, right at the speaker location. And it's being distributed not via traditional amplifier and a 70-volt system and speaker wire going from speaker to speaker, but instead the speakers are actually getting connected to the network, and then the network is sending the audio signal, and then the speaker is being converted, or the digital signal is being converted at the speaker.
That is so cool.
And that's about the coolest thing I could think that's happening in distributed audio, because distributed audio has been the same for a really long time. But now that we've got this conversion happening, there's part of me that's excited because less buzz, less problems, RJ45 connection, super easy. And then there's part of me that's disappointed because we're getting involved with IT again. And to be honest, AV and IT, our worlds are colliding, and I don't know if we can avoid it. But that's what's going on in the distributed audio world. So we don't really cover that in a basic system, because a basic system is still the normal speaker wire system, but you might be dealing with a RJ45 networked system, and that's gonna be a totally different process. You probably have an IT problem. Hey, if you're enjoying the content that we're doing here, make sure you hit subscribe, hit like, send us a comment. We'll get back to you as soon as we can, and make sure you keep watching more videos about knowledge basics.